Do you remember the legends? The old Nokia phones, the ones you could drop off a balcony, pick up, and keep talking on. Well, brace yourselves. Nokia is coming back, but this time, they're reinventing the game. Yes, you heard that right. If you've been dreaming of a unique smartphone that combines blazing fast 5G speeds, a massive 108 megapixel camera, and, wait for it, that glorious, old-school physical keypad, then this video is strictly for you. Today, we are talking about the phone that's about to paint your nostalgia with a modern twist. We are talking about the Nokia 6600 5G. This isn't just a phone, it's a dangerous combination of classic durability and futuristic tech. So, let's unbox this masterpiece, and dive into everything you need to know about this beast. Design and display. First up, let's talk design. Picture this. On one side, a stunning touchscreen. On the other, that tactile, clicky keypad that let you type texts without even looking. Nokia is bringing that feeling back. According to the leaks, we're looking at a 4.95-inch LCD display. Whether you're streaming videos or gaming, everything is going to look buttery smooth, thanks to a rumored 120Hz refresh rate. And because it's a Nokia, durability is standard, expect Corning Gorilla Glass support to keep those scratches at bay. The camera setup. In 2026, the first thing we check is the camera, right? Well, this device doesn't disappoint. Flip it over, and you'll find a killer triple camera setup. The primary sensor, 108 megapixels. Yeah, you heard me, 108 megapixel. It's paired with a 12 megapixel, and a 5 megapixel sensor to take your portrait and macro shots to the next level. And for the selfie lovers, you get a 16 megapixel front shooter to make sure every Instagram story pops. Performance. Now, the big question, does it have the muscle? Nokia is reportedly packing this thing with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 processor. That means serious speed and seamless 5G connectivity. Whether you're grinding on PUBG or multitasking between apps, this phone is built to run lag-free. Plus, rumor has it that it will launch with Android 16 right out of the box, giving you the absolute latest software experience. Battery life. A powerful phone needs a powerful tank. Don't worry about dying midday, this phone is rocking a massive 6000 mAh battery. You can stream, game, and scroll all day long without hunting for an outlet. And when you finally do hit 0%, it supports 25-watt fast charging via a modern USB-C port. Fast to charge, slow to drain. Price and launch date. Here is the part that's going to blow your mind. The price. You're probably thinking a 5G phone with these specs would cost $200 or $300, right? Wrong. Leaks suggest the starting price for this phone could be around $90. That is insane value for money. As for availability, we're expecting Nokia to drop this into the market by the end of this year. So guys, what do you think about the Nokia 6600 5G? It's a crazy mix of nostalgia and new age tech. Drop a comment below. Do you miss physical keypads, or are you strictly team touchscreen? And if this phone really drops for $90, are you buying one?